Hi everyone, look at my cherry. My cherry is a lot of fruit. It's massive, magnificent. They give us really a lot of fruits this year. Very, very nice. They knows how to give return to the one who look up there. Ah, la 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 la. This is my lavender. Relio. So beautiful, these roses. And you have a nice one here. So nice. Roses everywhere. I love roses. You ask your papa what you want to eat. This is an artichoke. Jay, this is an artichoke. The one in my reels. The fruit that we harvest. This is the plant. Guys, this is a tarragon. Oui, my love.
Your rice?
No, that is purple. I will eat quiche.
Yeah, but
And this
fish
one.
and meat.
Huh?
Fish and meat.
No, quiche only.
No, I make hot with baboon.
No, don't make hata baboy
Yeah,
chili.
of course.
No, I...
It's already small to fish and
No, quiche, because I will eat a cake. That's purple. I prepare purple that. He eat already half. You see my tomato? Oh, it's having flower now.
the balance of this barbecue.
We don't have barbecue sauce. We finish.
Finished.
Okay. We don't have, Papa. I prepare something there for my special tomato.
Careful, don't film.
No. I make a lot of nursery. This one is, what's the name of this, Papa?
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus. Our lettuce here. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Bye. Puli, Bia. Bia, Puli. 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 Bia, ma. Abit, mami. Puli. 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 Thank you for watching. Bye.